In this video, I'll show you how to ping in Valorant without using your map. Now this is really simple, guys. What you want to do is you want to head over to your settings right here and you want to go to controls. Under that, what you want to do is go over to communication and find pings. Now under here you should have a ping tab and a ping reel button, and mine is on set. Now you can choose this to whatever you want. So if I go here and I press my set button, you'll see that I'm gonna ping somewhere. Now if I hold it down, you'll see that I can open up this one, and with my mouse I can choose which one I want to use. So if I do caution here, you'll see this one pings there. Keep in mind I'm holding down the set button right now and moving my mouse. Now if I want to cancel this one, I can just click right click, and that's basically how it works. So this is super simple, guys. You just have to go into your communication and choose which button you want it to be on, and then you can press anywhere and it will ping. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.